Hi, I'm Simon from Photo Discount World. Welcome to episode 10 of Photography Course 101. Today we're spending 3 minutes mastering the art of long exposure light trails. Capturing a city at night is magical. This technique turns chaotic traffic into elegant, glowing streaks of light, adding a professional edge to your portfolio. It requires a careful balance of gear, settings, and patience. Let's start with the essentials. Your most critical gear is a sturdy tripod. Any vibration ruins the shot. Pro tip: hang your camera bag from the center hook for extra stability on windy nights. Rule 1. Keep your ISO low, ideally at 100. This keeps your night sky ink black and noise-free, allowing for much slower shutter speeds without overexposing. Aim for a shutter speed between 5 and 30 seconds. You want it open long enough for cars to travel entirely through your frame for continuous rivers of light. Set your aperture between f8 and f11. This keeps the whole scene sharp and turns streetlights into beautiful starbursts, adding that extra professional flair. Location scouting is key. Scout busy intersections or overpasses. Higher vantage points capture multiple levels of traffic for a more complex and engaging composition. Always use manual focus. Autofocus hunts in the dark. Focus on a distant, static light and use your live view zoom to ensure it's a sharp point. Time your shot with the traffic lights for maximum trail density. Review your histogram. Ensure your highlights aren't clipped into solid white blocks. One big mistake is leaving image stabilization on. When on a tripod, this feature can actually create tiny vibrations that blur your long exposure. Switch it off. This technique is about repetition. Stay for an hour, take dozens of frames, and enjoy the meditative process of waiting for that one perfect shot. Remember the pillars: sturdy tripod, ISO 100, slow shutter, and manual focus. Mastering these basics is how you truly start mastering your craft. Go out there and use the world's motion to paint with light. I can't wait to see your results. I'm Simon from Photo Discount World. Thanks for joining this masterclass. See you in the next episode for more creative techniques. Happy shooting!